So we're at the McDonald's drive-thru. Oh my god. I'm here with my pasta and gravy. Banana and cheese toasty. Chocolate and cheese. Hello everybody and welcome back to the kitchen. That means only one thing. Food. Usually a topic I'd be very excited for, but today's a different story. I thought it would be really interesting if I tasted all of your favourite weird food combinations. So I put a little question thing up on my Instagram and I got a ton of disgusting food combinations. The first weird food combination I'm going to be trying is a banana cheese toasty. I don't know how much banana to put on. Oh my god, if that isn't the most repulsive thing. And then another weird food combination that I received was Coke and milk. So I'm going to be mixing a little bit of this in the glass. Is it half and half? Is there like a special ratio I need to do? I can't see anything saving this, not gonna lie. Look at this. It literally tastes like nothing. I can't say I'm a fan of it, it just tastes like fizzy water. Yeah, no. Okay, so the Coke and the milk was a definite thumbs down, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Okay, let's taste this. The textures are just all wrong. The banana does not work. It's all weird and oh, it's just ruined a cheese toasty.
Pretty devastating.
I'm gonna try and get my mum to try this. Do you want to try banana cheese toasty?
Okay.
Okay.
It's bad.
Can't taste the banana really.
It's
not too bad.
bad. No, it's bad. The textures are all wrong.
It's too bad.
I think it's horrific.
No,
Would you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Would you have it again?
I'd give it a...
Okay. So the next food combination I was sent is custard creams with hoisin. I love custard creams. I love hoisin. Can't say I've ever thought to put the two together. We have the hoisin, we have the custard cream. I don't know how much to put onto it. I don't hate it. To be honest, I kind of just taste the hoisin and the... To be honest, I kind of just taste the hoisin and then the custard cream. I mean, I wouldn't go out of my way to have it. It's not horrific, but for the reason that I wouldn't go out of my way to eat it, and I do think it's kind of weird, I'm gonna give it a thumbs down. Or should I give it a thumbs up because I'm low-key eating it again? No, it's a thumbs down. Now, this next food combination has to be the one that I am the most excited / horrified and anxious over. And that is because it is mac and cheese and jelly beans. I'm gonna cook the mac and cheese and then I'm gonna put the jelly beans in afterwards. We're gonna put it in the microwave because ain't nobody got time to put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Who do I think I am? Honestly, this is the work of Article 13. I used to do Get Ready With Me's to music. Now I eat macaroni and jelly beans. My looks so horrible. Bon appetit!
You were never a fussy eater.
But macaroni, cheese and jelly beans is pushing it a bit. Please get a thumbnail. You don't watch who else they do it. I mean, believe it or not, it tastes like you've cooked some macaroni cheese and put jelly beans on it. And I'm I'm very offended by it. I don't know who ever thought of this, but I don't know why. I would like to know why. Actually, maybe I wouldn't. Like the hoisin and custard creams, you don't get the taste together, you know? You get the taste separate. I taste the mac and cheese and then I taste the jelly beans because they're so sweet.
Jelly beans are melting into the cheese and now I taste it together and it's definitely not a wine.
See ya. Never wanna put you in my mouth ever again. This one I feel like is kind of common, but is it common? Because does anyone with brain cells wired correctly enjoy this? No, probably not. This one is chocolate and cheese. Cheese with like sweet things just kind of freaks me out. Ooh, apart from cheesecake. Cheesecake. Is that a good ratio? I don't know. Am I supposed to melt it together?
Cheese and chocolate.
That is the worst thing I've had yet. It's bad, isn't it?
I've got to be the most unfussy eater on the planet because I think it's okay. My grandma did find me once face down in the dog bowl eating dog biscuits when I was 3.
Firstly, I know this dressing gown is disgustingly stained and fake tan, but I am honestly so bloated and I feel so sick the thought of being in regular clothes. No thanks. I'm gonna do one more meal of the day and then I think I'm gonna carry this video on tomorrow because there's just no way. It's currently 6 o'clock. I've taken a couple-hour break and I'm coming back with pasta and gravy. Now, I actually used to have this at primary school. They used to give us pasta and gravy. What sort of child abuse is that? You tell me. Wow, throwback to being 5 years old and miserable in primary school. I'm here with my pasta and gravy. And it's not bad. Honestly, this just reminds me of being at primary school. Did anyone else just see the ghost of Michael Jackson? I would have to give the pasta and gravy a thumbs up because I'm still eating it. So we're at the McDonald's drive-thru for another weird food combination. I'm joined with Emma. Like, you know when flies have really big eyes? Hi. Thank you. Cheers. Here we go. Hi, thank you.
Thank you.
Promise that you'll never find more. Oh shit, I don't know actually. I'll find somewhere. God.
Yeah, right.
Oh yeah, because I can pull into it. World's worst Parker. He's watching me. Sod off. Shh. Sod off, you. I also brought some Quorn vegan vegetarian chicken nuggets because obviously I'm vegetarian, but another food suggestion was chicken nuggets in the milkshake. Okay, we're gonna try it.
You look surprised.
It's bad.
Yes, I do for you.
It's bad. Would you like it?
Actually, not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Oh, for God's sake.
Haven't you got to try chips in it?
Okay, now I'm going to be tasting the chips. See, my sister loves this.
No.
No, I'm
Not
just
surprised.
because I can taste the
Chip.
potato. Hopefully the last time I'll be sat here for a while. So we're here with the last food combination. I've got my pizza plate, I've got the M&Ms, and I'm gonna sprinkle them on, I guess. Oh my god, it's kind of good. I thought I was gonna hate this after trying the chocolate and cheese, but this is actually really good. I mean, I don't know if I'd go out of my way to do it, but I am enjoying it, which I'm really surprised at. And for that reason, I have to give the M&Ms on pizza a thumbs up. So everyone, that is the end of my testing with food combinations video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. As much as I hated these food combinations, I did have a lot of fun filming this, so please let me know if you would like a part 2. As I always say, make sure to check the description box for my social medias. I'm most active on my Instagram. Subscribe if you would like to see more videos from me, and make sure you click the notification bell to make sure my videos come up in your subscription box. Don't forget to give the video a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Leave requests and comments in the comment section down below. I love you all infinite amounts, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!